Oh, the space is awesome now. More deck space, easy to clean, maintenance, just power wash, and away I go. I heard about Frontier through a friend of mine who had some fence work done, and so he came recommended, and I called him up to have a look, and he showed me a bunch of photos of his other work that he'd been doing, and of course I told him kind of what I wanted, and he drew up a sketch which was exactly what I wanted. Got some other estimates as well, but when someone comes recommended, I find that the top priority for me, and the professionalism and the callbacks and everything was very good. They were great. They were here when they said. They worked along and very pleasurable. Jonathan always came and oversaw the project, and I was pleased with them. They did work on something that was a little different because I have a curved deck, and one of the gentlemen made a little hot tub drink table for me and little extras. They fixed a couple things inside my cottage as well. Jonathan had photographs and the software to make it pictures so I could see everything, whereas another quote didn't have that, so it was hard to visualize, whereas Jonathan made it easy to know that's what I wanted. I could always communicate with them. They answered their phone, emails, everything was very prompt. Every question I had, they answered. The quality of their work is top-notch. They're using good material, and they're very particular that everything is just right. There was a couple things I wanted to change, and they were right there to accommodate my needs. The favorite part of the space is just the whole deck itself as being larger. The space here I enjoy a lot because this is the focal point of the house. Sit out and look at the lake. Nice big deck, and now actually I have a full covered roof, which I didn't have before, so watching a thunderstorm out here is just great. I would recommend Frontier right away. I'd say you have to talk to them and tell them what you would like, and they'll be there.